Okay, so I want this object or rock or spaceship or whatever this is to cast a shadow onto these rocks here. And to do this, we can create the shadow catcher in Eevee. And I'm also going to show you how we can do this in cycles as well. So let's just bring in a plane, and I'm just going to place the plane onto these rocks here. And the next step is to bring in a light source. So we're going to use a sun, and then I'm just going to place it there and make this line go towards my object. And remember to set the strength up to something. Yeah, so just start off with 100 depending on your scene. I'm just going to go for 100 here. And the trick here is to make this plane here invisible, but keeping this shadow. So the way we can do this, if you just open up a shader editor, so just click on to your plane, and then we're going to start off with deleting this principal BSDF. And now we can bring in a mix shader node, and then just connect this mix shader into the surface like that. And then we're going to need a diffuse node, and we're just going to duplicate this diffuse, and we're also going to need a transparent node. And we're also going to need to bridge this diffuse with this mix shader. So I'm going to search for shader to RGB, and then just drop it in there and connect this into the shader, and then the color into the mix shader, and then this second diffuse into this shader here, and then the transparent into the shader. So this thing here is the basic setup, but we need to tweak and twerk it a little bit to make this work. And it's a little bit different in Blender 4.2, so just go to material properties here and scroll down, and here we want to change the render method from whatever this name is to blended, like that. So now we have an invisible plane, and if we bring this second diffuse, go into, just click on the white here and drag this value all the way down to black. If we now click on this top diffuse and bring this value down, you can see that we have our shadow, and we can increase the strength like that. And you can also play around with the light strength as well. So now we have a shadow catcher, and it works perfectly. So let me just show you how you can do this real quick in cycles as well. And we have just a normal plane with no material and a light source and an object that casts a shadow. So let's create this shadow catcher in cycles. And the only thing we need to do here is go down to object properties. And then we want to go down to visibility, and we want to select this box for shadow catcher like that. And now if I just select my sun lamp here, we can control the strength of this shadow here with just setting the strength number to low amount, and then the shadow intensity will decrease like that. So that is all. Have a great day. Subscribe if you can, and peace out.